The warning forward collision system unavailable in Chevy cars means that the radar and camera related functions have been deactivated in your vehicle due to issues with either the radar or the camera modules. Also, I've seen once when this happened because of the steering rack problems after undercarriage damage, but it was a nightmare for the dealership to locate the problem, and I don't think it's going to be common anyway. So when you see this warning, your lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and also forward collision prevention system will not be working. First thing first, stop your vehicle and check if the camera and radar areas are clean. The camera is located in the upper part of the windshield, and the radar is usually behind the grille on the front end, but this will change from one model to another. So clean these areas with a soft tissue, start the vehicle and try driving. If this doesn't help, but you still need to drive, you may want to switch to a traditional cruise control, which is possible for the majority of model years. Just hold down the cruise control button or switch for several seconds and you'll be able to drive further. So if your vehicle is under warranty, you want to book it for adaptive cruise control system calibration. The dealership will calibrate the camera and will also check if there are any software updates for the system. But if the car is not under warranty, before you spend your money on this calibration, you may try disconnecting the negative cable from the 12-volt battery for 5 or 7 minutes. Be ready to see some other warning lights when you connect it back and start driving, but the system will calibrate on its own and the warning lights will disappear fairly soon. This will give your camera and radar a chance to calibrate on their own and you will get rid of the annoying warning. Usually these adaptive cruise cameras lose their calibration during bad weather or when there are voltage anomalies due to a low battery, for example, and then they may get stuck in this deactivated position. But a hard reset or a calibration brings them back to life. If nothing helps you solve the problem, your camera or radar may be damaged and require replacement. In this case, your best choice will be to go to the dealership and have the car thoroughly inspected, since camera replacement is not cheap at all and you need to make sure that nothing else is causing the issue.